One day, we'll see. What do you think of this place? Quickly. Good? Good? The best?
It's looking alright. Loves it.
He says, can you get my main man on camera here? Right, so, but highly recommended. We're coming here to Bombay Bites. Now, this kind gentleman here was telling me they opened 3 or 4 years ago. One store, city centre, kicked off. I've now got 3 or 4 of these places, and I can see why. Check this out. Take your time on this. It's very special. I've got tandoori chicken, got crispy onions on top, green chili sauce, mint sauce. I've got chips, rice, mutton curry in there, pieces of naan bread, rice chips. Yeah, I've said all that.
The whole Asian experience.
The whole Asian experience mixed up on an English style, yeah, English infused in a Chinese box. It's crazy. Very well priced too. This was £5, £6, £7.50. One of these, but it's full. It's jam packed. Everything you could want in there. I knew this place would be good, and I'm really excited to try it. Let's dive in and give it a go. This has been recommended to me today by someone very, very influential as well. He said, you've got to try this place. He comes all the way from Nottingham to try this place. And of course, before I dive in, this video has been brought to you today by Trident Insurers. They're the best of the best. They're the insurance experts. Exactly what we need, backing this page up, sponsoring another video. So thank you so much to them. Again, their logo will be down there somewhere. Check them out. They're incredible. Let's dive in and give it a go. See ya. Nice to meet you. Look at this, look. The only problem with this, I'm gonna have to dig into the bottom to try and get to the rest of it. Let's go. That is incredible. Wow. Okay. Okay, I've got some naan in there as well. Just keep digging and see what I get out. Holy smoke. Do you know what? That's got a bit of a kick to it. But it's got with that creamy sauce on top and the mint. That is incredible. I feel like I've got goosebumps. It's one of those moments. This big fat chip. Sort of chip that won't be crispy. It's going to be soaking up all the flavour. Oh my god. The chip has got purchase. It's got mutton curry in there. There's some mutton curry there, look. And a bit of naan. Check that out. Mutton curry of the highest order. Is it good? Yeah? Wow. It's like falling apart. Look at that mutton there, look. So I've got, in this box I've got that mutton is ridiculous. This is genuinely sensational. Wow. Bombay Bites. Take a bow. Got another bit of this. I'm sorry guys. Now, from what I've heard, this place is super famous in Leicester and around the Midlands. So it isn't like I'm uncovering anything here. You guys already know probably. But if you don't, check them out, please. This is like really, really cool. You know, in an overcrowded market, fast food like this, I get a lot of shit on this channel from people saying I was going to regular places, just dropped a chip. This is something that's different, really different. Now, funny thing is, I shouldn't be eating all this now, but this is one of those places where I know I'm going to get in my car and I'm going to bosh the whole thing. Okay, cool. Bombay Bites. There's like a party going on in my mouth right now. It's absolute chaos. It's pandemonium in my mouth. My tongue is like tingling. I've got sweet in there, I've got spicy. It's coming through. I've got big chunks of meat. I've got sauces. I've got textures. Naan bread. Rice. I've got rice at the bottom somewhere. Taking this home. This is a fantastic meal, and I'm over the moon we came here. Get up there, Bombay Bites, you naughty, naughty shop. Okay, cool. It's time for a score. Let's wrap this up. I'm getting very excited in Leicester tonight. Now we're finding the gems. Time for a score. Bombay Bites. I'm going to give you a 9.2. Yeah, I just did it. Another 9. Congratulations to everyone at Bombay Bites. Leicester, you should be very proud of this place. If you haven't been here, give it a try. And that, people, is another review.